I guess I felt like I really had an idea worth sharing that could really impact the world. And I wanted a stage to get it out there to see if it could transform people and ultimately make, I guess, the world a better place. So, and TEDx just seemed like the best stage for that. And so that's what got me going on it. It seemed really overwhelming. It's sort of been something I thought I'd do for a few years. And when I tried to Google it and look at it, it seemed overwhelming. And there were different offerings and out there. But this is the most comprehensive by far of anything that I looked at. And it really had a beautiful process lined up. So it took away the fear. I realized someone was going to kind of hold my hand through it and show me how to get there. And then the support that I've found, not only in other people doing it, but in the coaching and the workshops is so powerful that this big, scary thing doing a TEDx talk suddenly isn't such a big, scary thing and doable with incredible support. So yeah, I've been totally, feel so lucky that I found Thought Leader. It's the truth. The toughest part is really believing that I do have an idea that I'm worthy of sharing, and looking at other talks and comparing myself and saying, well, who am I? And really getting clear on that idea and how I can present it. That's been what I've been struggling with. But I can say over the last couple of months, it is coming together. And again, through when I've reached out, when I felt stuck, someone's come along, a coach come along to say, hey, where are you stuck? Let's talk about it. And really amazingly get you unstuck. And then you go, okay, I've got this again. So yeah, really getting clear on what the idea is and how I can share it to make the impact I want to make. Because for me, if it doesn't make impact, it's not worth it. That's the reason I'm doing it, right? So yeah, that's my biggest struggle, but I feel like I'm getting over that. I feel like I'm moving forward. For me, I don't think I would be doing it if it wasn't for this. I've got a couple of friends using other programs and they just don't compare. And I'd say if you're not sure, reach out to someone who's done it, like who's in this program, and ask them about it and talk to them about it to really see. And I actually did that before I chose Thought Leader. I spoke to somebody in it and that really encouraged me. And so if you're not sure, I'd say try to talk to someone who's done it through Thought Leader and see if it does fit for you. Can't imagine it wouldn't, but you never know. Everyone's different. So yeah, I'd say go for it. You're probably not going to regret it.